Hi guys, good afternoon. It's an English version now. I have worked in collections and recoveries for almost 20 years. A peculiar case came to my in very recently. That's of Moratorium, where my friends had either had not opted, but some of them had opted. However, during that period, the checks were the EMIs had returned, means bounced. They are not paid. This video is important for all those people whose loans have been defaulted at least once in that loan period. If it is that, please watch it carefully and approach your friend who has worked in collections and recoveries. If you ask for a consultancy fees, then get into that. Okay? Don't hesitate because it costs a lot. I handled 3 cases very recently, 2 of which are of my boss and 1 is of my friend which is presently working, and another one case is with me right now. Of these 3 cases, I can name the companies. All these 3 companies are NBFCs. One is Aditya Birla, second is Clicks Capital, and third one is Stashfin. They were claiming the amount that my friends has to pay them more than what they have paid already. But when I checked analyzed their statements, and there are three statements that has to be analyzed very meticulously. This can't be done by general people. Either you have to take the support of accounting people or the collection and recoveries person. They can only know the nuance of this game. What happened here is, my boss had paid completely, including check return charges and then your late penal charges. Everything was paid off, but still they were demanding 1 EMI was pending and plus other return and late payment charges are pending. That's what exactly. Even with my friend's case, Stashville case, when I analyzed that, I realized that in fact they had paid excess. And when I fought with them, almost 6-7 months I fought with each of these NBFCs, and at the end they ended up refunding the excess payments. But unfortunately, they have not completely refunded any of the amount what they were supposed to pay. Okay, that's one of the points. But at least they got major chunk of that amount refunded, whereas they were not supposed, and the extra amount what they were demanding, that was completely gone, and amount was also refunded what the excess they have paid. This is the reason why I am requesting you all, please ensure that after watching this video, share it with your friends who are suffering because of default. Every default account has an issue. Make it very clear, every default account has an issue. They require a professional guy who can handle it and solve it. I can't handle everything. Okay, that there are people who can handle it. If you know any collections and recovery person who knows it well, okay, who knows the accounting procedure also. Accounting procedure has to be known to person. Most of the collection and recovery persons don't know the manage. And if you want, then please sit with the person, analyze everything, then do it. Is it one template can work out? No. Each of these 3 instances where I have worked, each required a different template because each one has their own way of accounting methodologies, the procedure of accounting procedures. That is the reason why it requires an entirely different ball game. And another one, home loan. Now right now I am handling it, but let me know because I have not yet worked, so let me not comment on that which bank it is. But these 3 cases I am firm. If they want to sue, let them sue. I have the foothold, a strong foothold on that. They have goofed up, and because of this, companies have minted money, whether it's banks, NBFCs, anything, they have minted money. Please ensure it's your hard-earned money. Go back to the bank, whenever if you feel there's one EMI has been issued, bounced, returned, maybe because of various reasons, but once that has been streamlined, immediately go to the bank, sit with the officer, get this streamlined. Whatever check bounce, late payment, as on the day, whatever is available is accounted. Please ensure that that is paid off. What happens is these officers collect only the EMIs. They don't generally, they discourage you to pay the bounce charges and late. They will collect. If you insist, they will collect, but they don't. Because how the accounting procedure happens is, per se, EMI is of 10,000 rupees and late payment on check bounces which is accrued in your account is of 3,000 rupees. Then the moment ESAS gets cleared, 3,000 of the old due is cleared, 7,000 out of this ECS amount is clear. Again 3,000 is pending. On that again some late payment will appear. Okay, that they will add up. So month on month it keeps on increasing. That's how by the time you finish the whole tenure, either one or two EMIs you will find it lagging. But there is a trick how to account it for. Hence my kindest request is that please approach your banks the moment you have defaulted, you are streamlined, and ensure that I want to right now pay the whole whatever the outstandings are. Don't stretch it. Okay. Collection agency guys who come to your door knocking, they are not interested in your welfare. They want you to default. Because if you default, then they will have the business. If you don't default, they don't have the business. As simple as that. That's the reason why every month they know that you are a good chap, you will keep on paying the payment every month. Hence, they want you to default. In this account, 10,000 out of 10,000, 3,000 went for, 7,000 is paid, another 3,000 is pending. He will never mention you that there is a 3,000 which is pending. He will say, sir, this is what happened. That is what all account bull stories, because that is defaulted. That account is called as default account. So he will come to you. He will take 10,000 rupees, your regular EMI amount, and he will go. This is how things happen. This is a drama. Please avoid this. Please forward it to your friends who had already defaulted even once in their whole tenure. What happens after the end of the tenure? You think that you have paid everything. So when you go for NDC or NOC, then they will say, no sir, see here, this much amount is pending. Then you will have a big fight with him. You will fight with for everything. Then he will give you a settlement amount out of so and so, some 20%, 30% he will reduce. Then he will pay. That 20%, what happens is that in CIBIL records, it will be, your account will be mentioned as settled account, not as cleared. So once that is done, after 4 years, 5 years, you apply for another loan because you need it either for any purposes, home loan, car loan, whatever loan, or for children marriage, whatever personal loan, whatever it is. The moment you try to apply that, then they will say, sir, this is what exactly is showing. This account is settled. Why don't you go back and clear that account and come back and apply afresh after 6 months. There is a waiting period of 6 to 7 months. Now, for the whole last 5 years, your record has been spoiled, that which you are not at all aware. So, hence request you to get the CIBIL report at least once in 2 years. It's available free of cost with 4 agencies: Equifox, CRISIL, CIBIL, TransUnion, and another one is there. You can get it. So, please go to them and apply for that. This one. Get the CIBIL report, check your report, keep it healthy. If you find any discrepancy, go to the bank, sit with them, stress with them. I will not allow you to leave your seat until you resolve my issue. Pay every penny outstanding. Then only your CIBIL report gets updated. Once that is updated, then only you can apply for another loan. This is the crux. Okay. Hence, request you, all of you, have a healthy lifestyle, financial lifestyle. Thanks. If anything you need, you can call me. For any clarifications, you can call me on 9845-302-301. Okay. If I am busy, I may not receive the call. Hence, do one thing. Leave a message in SMS. not on WhatsApp, because that number doesn't have WhatsApp. It may be activated sooner or later. If it is activated, then you can send it by a message. Please send me message. I will call back surely, 100%. I don't say it will not go unattended. Okay, thank you. And generally it is free of charge. Okay, don't worry about the money. Thank you. Bye bye.